Bash commands that don't fit on one page, make output scrollable. Probably been answered somewhere, but it's difficult to frame the search phrase. I am running a bash terminal window and some commands are too big to fit on the page, for example PSA. I vaguely recall a command line parameter, method that shows the command output page by page so I can scroll through the output, but I can't recall what it is. Any pointers?
For commands I use often, I generally set up a function in my bash to make them paginate if longer than a screen. Like your example, PSA. This replaces PS with a function, named PS, which calls the original PS command with whatever arguments given on the command line, then pipes the output, stout and stare, using the vertical bar and pipe, into less f, which pauses if there's more than a screen full, but exits immediately if it's less than a screen full. Very handy, doesn't interfere with anything I've worked with so far, and is just cool. You can even add off to use options into the command/functions too. This makes nm always demangle C++ symbols. And paginates the output. Yay! I'm running Debian, so I use the apt cache command quite often, search and show mostly. This function causes those particular options to paginate, search output is sorted, and everything paginates. If the command is search, sort the output, then paginate with less f, but if command is anything else, just paginate, without sorting. Occasionally I forget I've got the functions, and I'll do something like. The function doesn't interfere, everything works as expected, no harm either way. Another little tweak, I use the same .bash on all my systems, so sometimes a utility might not be installed, so there's no need for the function. I make them conditional like this. This just uses the which command to determine if a program is available. If it isn't, it quietly fails and skips installing the function. TAADA. The normal method is to pipe the output to less. Q is the key to quit, just like a man page. If the command may produce errors or other outputs a stare, you may want to direct that to the pipe as well. Any machine that is bash should have less as well. On old Linux machines the program was more, but that does just a page at a time, less will allow you to scroll as you wish.
Pipe the output to more. Tested on RPM-based OS.